Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, my dearest children. Today, we are going to learn the days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday.